Welcome to Car Zone, where every turn of the wheel spins your fate. From wild moves to instant karma crashes, you're about to see it all. Going viral for road rage? Trust me, no one wants that. The sky is falling. Oh wait, it's just a traffic sign. An impromptu figure skating performance by a truck on the winter highway. A wild barrier appears and attacks an innocent SUV. After a spectacular flip, the driver decides to go for a casual stroll on the freeway.
Dude, you idiot! Dude, you idiot!
Sometimes it's good to give in a little. Red lights are just a suggestion that was poorly taken. Driver versus physics. Physics won. Flawless victory. A classic cutoff maneuver that will make your heart skip a beat. A reversing maneuver that went straight into another car's face. Two cars try to decide who owns the lane. Turns out neither of them does. A hasty lane change leads to an unscheduled meeting of bumpers. When you try to overtake but forget the tiny detail of needing actual space to do so. Another friendly reminder that red lights are not just for decoration. The auto rickshaw auditions for the next Fast and Furious movie with a sick flip. The Mercedes ran a red light and faced immediate consequences. Just a normal day on the highway, until a plane decides to join the traffic, explosively. An impressive display of hydroplaning. 10-10 for style, 0-10 for landing. Red light said, stop. Driver said, nah. The other car said, hi there. A gentle but very awkward bump in the parking garage. The car decided it needed a hug from the roadside barrier. A very forceful hug. A clumsy maneuver at the intersection creates an impressive smokescreen. Two silver cars decided to become one. The merger was not successful. Oh! Pro tip: roundabouts are not for speed testing. This overturned car is Exhibit A. Turning left without looking, and, well, you know what happens next. Boom! The SUV doesn't seem to like sedans very much. A mocking action of the two-door car. It's not funny at all. A surprise head-on collision to wake you up. The pickup truck tried to race the red light. The red light won.
Helping her move some stuff. And besides that,
A failed drift attempt results in a crash right at the intersection. Running a red light at a railroad crossing. Luckily, no train was there to play. The man seems to want to announce something, and it responds immediately. The blue car driver offers a friendly hand gesture before changing lanes. When you're driving and a car literally falls out of the sky to hit you, high speed plus nighttime equals a car doing a backflip.
Oh my God.
A massive collision at the intersection creates a beautiful shower of car parts. If you want to stop the car to chat, you should at least find a suitable parking spot.
1 second of losing control could lead to a lifetime of regret. You may be right, you may be wrong, but if you lose your temper, both sides lose. Remember, on the road, ego is never worth more than a life. Thank you for staying with us till the end. If this story made you think, feel free to leave a comment or share it with others. Subscribe to the channels for more true stories and the life-changing lessons. Stay safe on the road and see you in the next video.